Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here, and I'm the Grammy from Grammy Square. I'm going to show you how to do these stunning Tunisian cables today. I think they're beautiful. Hope you do too. If you do, stay tuned. For this project, we'll need yarn, of course, and a Tunisian hook. I've got one with the cable attached, and this is the size I. For this pattern, we'll need a multiple of 10 plus 5 plus 2. I've got 27 chains. To do the first forward pass, pick up a loop for each chain going across till you get to the end. And at the end, got these loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through one. That creates the chain stitch. Then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and so on till we get to the end of the row. At the end of this row, we'll do another row of simple stitches. Pick up a loop on each of the bars across till you get to the end. When you get to the end of the row, we want to pick up those edge stitches again, so turn your work and pick up those two edge stitches there, pull through. Then yarn over, pull through one. Then yarn over, pull through two, and so on until you get to the end of this row. This will be the first cable row, and we'll be using the second stitch, the fourth stitch, and the sixth stitch, and also the stitches from the row below that, so that one and the one right below it. To make a cable, insert your hook in the first loop, and then insert your hook in the loop in the row below, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. And that's our first cable. Now we'll do a simple stitch in the next stitch, cable stitch in the one after that. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then go down below, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Another simple stitch in the next stitch. And then another cable. Insert your hook in the top loop. And then in the bottom loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. And that completes our 3 cables for that first section. For the next part, we'll do 5 simple stitches in the next 5 stitches. Then another cable section. Cables again, insert your hook in the first loop, and then go down to the row below. Insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. The next stitch will be a simple stitch, and then a cable stitch again. Then another simple stitch, and then another cable stitch. Complete this pattern to the end of the row. the end of the row, turn your work so you can see the edge stitches, and then insert your hook through both those loops on the edge. There we go, and pull through. Then the backward pass will be the same. Yarn over, pull through one, and then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. At the end of this row, we're going to repeat our cable pattern. So yarn over, pull through one loop, and then go down to where the cable was from the previous row. Insert, pull up a loop, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Then a simple stitch, another cable, go through the top loop, and then go down and insert your hook into the cable from the previous row. Yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through two. Simple stitch, and then another cable. And that's how it looks after 2 rows of cables. Complete this row in the pattern, do a backwards pass, and then we'll do 1 more row, front and back, and then do a simple stitch row. This is how it looks, 3 rows of cables, and then 1 simple stitch row. Now our first 5 stitches will be simple stitches, so we're alternating now. We'll have 6 stitches on our hook, including the first one. Then we'll do cable stitches in the next section. The first one in that section, the third one, and the 5th one. So insert your hook, then go down 1 row, insert your hook again, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, then a simple stitch, then another cable, then another simple stitch, then another cable, and repeat that pattern to the end of the row, and then make a backward pass as well. This is how it looks after the first row of cables on that second section. Do 2 more rows of that and another row of simple stitches, and then this is what it will look like at that point. Repeat the first section again, then the second section, and then the first section again, and this is what it looks like at that point. Hasn't been blocked yet, obviously. To bind off, insert your hook in the first loop, pull through once, and then continue. That's the slip stitch, and then do all the stitches the same way. We'll just put your hook in there, pull it through until you're finished. If you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. I'd love to know what you think about this pattern and Tunisian crochet. Thanks for watching.